And then there are some mornings. Mornings in which you wake up feeling excited about what comes next. A new chapter, a new beginning. You can see the future you strive to create, just as we, at Honeywell, strive to create a safer and brighter future. The future is what we make it. We have a long history of building the future we envision. For renewable energy and distributed assets, our approach is to optimize operational efficiencies with remote operations and outcome-based lifecycle management services, which reduce risk and enhance overall profitability. We offer customized outcomes that can produce energy more efficiently. How do we do it? By providing real-time view, insights, predictive analytics of your distributed assets. We enhance safety and regulatory compliance by utilizing energy storage systems that translate into reduction in lifecycle cost, improvement in reliable and sustainable energy, increase in service availability, and reduction in time for project implementation. We're excited to partner with you. Honeywell's Experian Energy Center with outcome-based lifecycle management for renewable energy and distributed assets. Powerful outcomes. Sustainable partner. Meet Honeywell.